You're welcome to live a light on the hard way. To be successful, your focus has to be so intense that others will think that you are crazy. You should be too focused to an extent that people will think that you're a madman. Let them look at you and despise you. Let them advise you. Let them do everything, criticize you, but remain focused to an extent. If your butter was to be touched, or if you are to be tickled, you will never shake. The key word is focus. The destination is success.